Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're making this easy lamb stew with peas and potatoes. The list of ingredients and a written recipe will be in the description box. Look at how tender and delicious this lamb looks. I hope you will enjoy making this recipe. Start by removing the membrane from the lamb leg. And then cut the lamb leg into equal pieces. Thereafter, lightly coat the lamb with a bit of flour. In a big pan, heat olive oil and butter on medium heat. And then brown the meat for about 6 minutes. It takes about 3 minutes on each side. Remove the meat from the pan and then add bacon and fry for 3 minutes. And then add the celery and the onion. Fry for 3 minutes. After that, add the garlic and fry for 30 seconds. And then add back the meat and fry for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, and then mix tomato paste with a bit of stock. And add to the meat. Mix well and cook for 5 minutes. After that, add 1.5 liters of chicken stock. Cook for 40 minutes. Remember to mix every now and then so that the food doesn't burn. After 40 minutes, add the potatoes and cook for 20 minutes covered. Stir every now and then. Halfway through the 20 minutes, add the peas. And cook uncovered for the remaining 10 minutes. It's ready. You can see how thick and delicious it looks. Remove the food from the stove. You can serve this with bread or rice. Enjoy and thank you very much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.